Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create PDF bank statements to Excel converter. So actually I use Python to create this software. By using this software you can easily convert most common PDF bank statements to Excel format. So then it will help you to save lots of time. Especially this is ideal for accountants, bookkeepers, and also any other professions who works with especially bank statements, PDF bank statements. So I'll explain you step by step the process you need to follow to create this program in Python. And also I'll give you sample code file so then you can develop your own program. So I will include the link inside the video description. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So to achieve this one or to create this program using Python, you need to install several modules. So I'll show you the modules you need to install before developing this software. So these are the modules you need to install before developing this program. Now you need to open Visual Studio Code, then go to the file, then select open file. So my program file is in local disk L, then there is a folder called Python. So in that folder there is a file called sample.py. So this is the file code file I use to convert PDF bank statement to Excel. Then select this file and click open. Now Visual Studio Code opens your code block like this. So these are the modules you need to import before developing this software. So you need to import Tkinter module, and also you need to install pdfplumber, pandas. So after installing these modules, then you can easily start your work. So this is the code block. So here I do not expect to explain each and every code line. So I will give you the code file, then you can test your own program. Then I'll show you how to do this. So here I have designed a very simple user interface using Tkinter. Then to run this program, what you should do is just click on the terminal and add a new terminal. Then my Python file locates in L partition. Now there I have a folder called Python, then cd Python. Then press enter. After that I'm going to give my Python file name, Python sample.py. Then press enter. Yeah, this is the program interface. So here if you click the select folder, then you can convert bulk PDF file into Excel format. So if you select files, then you can convert one by one PDF bank statement to Excel. So here I'll show you how to convert bulk PDF statements to Excel. So just click on the select file, For explanation purpose, I have included several bank statements. Yeah, this contains my this folder contains all the PDF bank statements. Now press on the select folder. You can see all my PDF bank statements are shown inside this list view. To convert these PDF statements, what you should do is you need to click on the extract to Excel. Then you need to give a desired name. So here my name is test. Then click save button. Then you can see each and every file converts PDF bank statements convert to Excel like this. So likewise, you can convert bulk PDF files into Excel file using this software. Especially bulk PDF statements can be converted or can be converted into Excel files. Okay. Yeah, now all the conversion process. Now the conversion process has finished. Now there is a message called extracted 1,829 rows to. This is the location where I save my Excel file. Now press OK. Now let's go to the folder. Yeah, I saved my bank statement here 224. So here you can see there's an Excel file called test.xlxx. Now double click this file. Then you can see all the PDF statements as converted to Excel like this. Now if you need, you can convert one by one. So there you need to click on the select file, then likewise select this file, then click open. Then you can see one file selected. So after that, what you should do is you just need to click on the extract Excel, then single file can be easily converted into Excel. So that is it for today. Let's meet with another video. Thank you very much.